We have here a building robot toy. So we're gonna open it up, see what it comes with, and we're going to put it together. So inside here, we got all the instructions and different parts to put it together. So a really fun thing about this robot, it's a 12-in-1, so you can make all of these different robots depending on which one you want to do. So it's really easy to follow the instructions. So these are all labeled. For example, this has E on it and they'll have numbers, so you're going to know which to go with, and you can take off the pieces as you need them. And then grab the solar panel. So after you got the main body put together, take it outside and under the sun and make sure the gears are spinning correctly before you put the rest of it together. So we are going to do the roly-poly. So we found the right pages to do it. So we're going to follow instructions to finish putting the robot together. So we got one side of the wheel done, so now we're just going to do the other side and it'll be ready to go outside. So we got the solar robot put together, so we're going to put it in the sunshine and watch it go. So the solar robot toy is a lot of fun. It's really fun to put together and have something fun after to take outside. So I'd recommend it to anyone with kids that love to build things and have a fun toy to play with at the end.